Magandang hapon po ng July 27, 2024 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 27, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, July 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 27, 2024 Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, July 27, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for July 27, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.